Never stop improving. Advance innovation. And bring knowledge and talent together, all in the service of health. That's the commitment of Fresenius, with its 4 business segments. For 100 years, we've been dedicated to improving the lives of seriously ill patients. It's a tradition handed down by our founder, Eduard Fresenius. In Frankfurt, the Hirsch Apotheke Pharmacy, established in 1462 and owned by his family, is where he lays the foundation for what will become the Fresenius Healthcare Group. Eduard Fresenius soon finds the pharmacy lab is too small for the big things he's planning. And in 1912, he opens a chemicals and pharmaceuticals business. Early production focuses on urgently needed infusion solutions. When Eduard Fresenius dies shortly after World War II, his foster daughter and heir, Elsa Fernau, later Elsa Kroner, takes over the business. Starting out with a small group of employees, the young pharmacist quickly puts major developments into motion. Soon joining infusions in the product lineup are a number of new special and nutritional solutions. They form the basis of today's Fresenius Kabi business segment. In the following years, production is expanded, processes are automated, and medical technical products such as nutritional and infusion pumps are introduced. All these innovations help sick people. In the 1960s, Fresenius developers start working on another tremendous challenge, helping people who suffer from kidney disease and chronic renal failure. Around the world, there's a shortage of places for performing dialysis procedures. Even when available, treatment takes up to 15 hours and is highly risky. Fresenius starts by importing dialysis machines. Employees accumulate increasing expertise through their technical maintenance work, as well as an ongoing exchange of ideas with doctors and nurses. And in the mid-1970s, Fresenius starts making its own dialysis machines. The 1980s bring a breakthrough. Fresenius discovers the synthetic material polysulfone for dialysis and uses it to develop new filters that are almost as effective as the human kidney. They are a blessing to patients. The tremendous success of these new dialyzers opens up new opportunities. The company is able to ambitiously pursue these opportunities thanks to the Elsa Kroner Fresenius Foundation, founded in 1983. In 1988, Elsa Kroner bequeaths her entire fortune to the foundation, with the condition that the group be kept together in its entirety. And with the foundation as its reliable main shareholder, Fresenius is able to expand further. In 1996, Fresenius expands and simultaneously enters the field of medical services by acquiring an American company, National Medical Care. Today, Fresenius Medical Care is the world's largest provider of dialysis products and services and the biggest operator of dialysis clinics. The 1990s also see Fresenius enter a new field, the planning, construction, equipping, and management of healthcare facilities. In addition, the company becomes active in providing services to public hospital authorities. The business segment Fresenius Vamed, founded in 1982, is now the world leader in these areas. For Fresenius, becoming a full hospital operator is the logical next step, which follows with the acquisition of Wittgensteiner Hospitals in 2001 and Helios Hospitals in 2005. Fresenius is now one of Germany's largest private hospital operators, offering an unsurpassed standard of medical care and unique, transparent quality management that demonstrably saves lives. With determination and innovative know-how, we are advancing healthcare worldwide. Long before many other companies discovered the emerging markets of Asia, Latin America, and Eastern Europe, Fresenius was already there with its own subsidiaries. Today, Fresenius is present in more than 150 countries and operates more than 80 production facilities. Every business segment at Fresenius can look back on its own successful history, and they all strive to provide the highest quality care for patients at an affordable price. Fresenius Medical Care is working to make continued access to comprehensive care possible for the rising number of dialysis patients worldwide. Fresenius Kabi combines its know-how in clinical nutrition, infusion therapy, and intravenously administered drugs. Providing the best possible treatment for cancer patients is a major objective. Fresenius Helios will continue offering its patients the latest in medical innovation. For this hospital operator, the early adoption of the most up-to-date technologies is a top priority. Fresenius Vamed is helping to develop healthcare system infrastructure in every region of the globe. Today's Fresenius employs more than 160,000 people around the world, connected by commitment, perseverance, and the spirit of research and innovation. We continue pursuing milestones in medicine, all in the service of our patients and their health. Exactly the things Fresenius has stood for the past 100 years.